Welcome to Oikos, by Knife. Today, I'll guide you through our new feature, Site Deployment. First, head to the sidebar and click on Site. Then, select New Site. You'll encounter two options, deploy your build file or create a build and then deploy. Let's start with deploying using a build file. First, select your deployment organization. Next, you can either upload build file from your local system or import from GitHub. For GitHub, provide repository link and branch name. At present we only support public repositories. Let's upload the build file from my local system. Click on Upload Files and ensure you're uploading only the build file in .zip format. Once uploaded, the deployment will start and complete in a few seconds. After deployment, click on the application name. Here, you'll find comprehensive information about this application. Next, open the link by clicking on Open Site. This will take you to your website. Now, let's explore deploying using source code. Click on Site in the sidebar. Then, click on New Site. At present, our platform supports a range of frameworks including React, Angular, Vite, Vue.js, Remix, and Ember.js. Since my code is in React, I am selecting the React framework. Now select the organization. Here you get two options. Whether to upload from your local system or GitHub deployment. If you are choosing GitHub, you need to provide the repository link and branch name. Right now we only support public repository. At this moment, I'll proceed with source code deployment. Click on Upload icon. And ensure you're uploading only the code file in .zip format. With the source code uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to specify any environment variables required by your code. You'll also need to select the install command, build command, and output directory in accordance with your front-end framework specifications. After configuration, just click Deploy Site to start deployment. Let's wait for a few seconds, till app gets deployed. Once the app is successfully deployed, click on the application name to view details. Here, you can access all the details related to this application. Now let's open this application. Click on Open Site. The application is running. Let's navigate back. Now, click on Custom Domain. Here you get link where you can map this website to your own domain. Lastly, if you find the need to remove the application, simply click on the three dots in the action column and select Delete. Afterward, confirm the deletion by clicking on Delete Forever. That concludes our overview of site deployment. If you have any more questions or require assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at hello@knife.io. We're always available to assist you.